Hey guys, so in this video we're gonna go over exception handling. I think it needs a video by itself because the way we have to do it is we have to do it into two ways. One is the exception connecting to the jump host, and the other one is if we're trying to connect from the jump host to the device, and the device we have a bad password, the device doesn't exist, so we need to terminate the session and prompt the user about that. Because just to make it faster, it's not going to affect the actual outcome of the script, but it will take forever for it to, not forever, but it won't be the best, like we want to make it as ultimate as possible. I don't know if you noticed that I've actually imported this at the beginning, like the timeout and the authentication exception. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put here the whole Netmiko inside a try except statement. Okay, and I don't want it to crash, like to raise an error, like just print whatever error the script gets. Here, what I'm gonna do is print man. Alright, so this is actually, I think this will only affect the jump host. So I'm gonna mention like jump host. Right. So what we have to do, we have to actually here like predict the output for this. So we have to do it in two ways. The first one, we have to create another condition for connection timeout, like trying to authenticate to the device but getting a connection timeout. The second one we have to do is in case we send the password and we get the password again. Okay, so right. So the first thing, this is the server. So SSH, let's do Cisco at 192.168.0.01. Okay, so that we have a condition for this. Now we get the password. So we're providing the password. Alright, we're in. Alright, so that's the first one. Second one is this. Yes. And let's provide a wrong password. We get the password again. Password again. Alright, so all we needed is like, because we're not inputting it manually, if we're prompted for the password again, just disable the session. And lastly, if the session doesn't exist, alright, so we get no route to host. And the way we're gonna do it is, okay, we get no route to host. So let's do this. Okay, so if we get password again, just disconnect. And here, fail disconnecting, print. And so we have the wrong device password, and I think we need to do the same thing for this guy. Okay, and I always, okay, and here let's do print or route to host and also disconnect. Alright, so let's try it. So here what we have is let's do Cisco 1. Okay, let's run this. Okay, good. Alright, so let's do another thing. Let's do 200. Let's see what happens here. Unknown return from SSH session. Let's do just to see what we're getting. We might have to run the debug. Yeah. Let's tweak the timers here a little bit. Let's make this 3 seconds. Usually it's 2, and here the read timer, let's make it 6. Okay, that's good. Okay, so what was happening, it was actually reading the last read and it was returning nothing. So we needed to tweak that to make it a little bit longer. Okay, so we're good there. Inside the exception here, and alright, I think we're good. The next video we're gonna do introduce multi-threading to this, and yep, that's it. Thank you guys. Also, please, if you can, if you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. And you could actually ask your questions in the comment section. I try to reply as fast as possible. And you could also reach out through our contact us page. And I'm gonna provide as much information as I can in the description. Thank you guys. Have a good day.